This video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Davinci Resolve 18 completely for free. So you're just going to go ahead and go to the description down below and pick if you're going to go to Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. I'm obviously using a Windows. So we're going to copy the link, or you could just click it and go to the download page. Go ahead and go to free access with ads, discover interesting articles, and then press X after 5 seconds. Discover topics. You're going to have to click any one of these. Just click one and then go back and then press X and then continue to Davinci Resolve 18. And right here, just going to have to click download. There we go. All right, I'll be right back when it's finally finished downloading. All right, so you're going to get this. Just extract it to this and then run this. Yes. And then just do all of these because I already installed it. But I forgot to record. I'm really sorry, but it's basically all the same, you know, just agree to the terms and stuff like that. And then you're gonna have to restart your computer, which is what I did, and I forgot to stop recording. So the file is corrupted, but you have this, just open it up after you restart, and then continue. Quick setup. Continue. Yes, HD, please. Not Ultra, right? We're not. Okay, continue. Okay. Select your keyboard layout. Well, I personally use Premiere Pro, so why not? You're all set. Thank you very much. Yeah, sure, buddy. Allow access. Allow access. And here we are. It all looks so, so big. All right, so thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you guys later.